Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Hot Wheels Showcase AA Shadows. Dear friends, I am here with my hero car showcase and our today hero car is a lovely truck. Yes friends, the Datsun 620 from HW Hot Trucks 4 of 10 friends, and this baby is the vehicle number 9 out of 365. Here is the back side of the pack friends, the international case, HW Hot Trucks 4 of 10, and the great license info. Our hot truck is ready for the unboxing and a cool review on the showtime. Dear friends, our guide, the Datsun 620, is here in some lovely finishings. The black wheels, black interior, and the black strip on the both sides. It's looking cool. This baby is the number 73. Such a lovely truck friends. You can check the tiny logo of the Hot Wheels on the both sides. The bumpers are looking awesome. Datsun logo on the rear side. It's looking cool. Finishing of the front side is pretty great. Here is the topper view friends. You can check. The cargo space is also black. Finishing of the hood and roof is pretty awesome. Little scratch on the roof. Here is the below side friends. The black base is looking good with some cool readable info. Dear friends, please comment below your findings about this lovely baby. Have a great day friends. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye.